Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am here to discuss about a new topic, that is narration. It's an important topic in our English grammar. So it will be easy to you because you are since class 8. So we know in SSC exam narration comes in passage form, especially dialogue form. Okay. So I am writing here what is narration. In short, narration we can say to narrate something. Narrate is a Latin word. So at first we should know what narration is. That means in brief we can say narration is the way to reporting speech of the speaker. Narration is the way to reporting speech of the speaker. So how does the speaker narrates his speech? How does the speaker narrates his speech? Okay, actually a speaker narrates his speech in two ways. One is direct and another is indirect. So we can classify narration by these two. One is direct and another is indirect. So what is direct narration? I have written it on the board. Direct narration is the exact speech by the speaker which is put within the quotation marks. Like I am writing here an example. He said, I am tired. So it's a direct speech. Indirect speech is the substances given by someone else. So I am giving an example. So we will change it in indirect. He told that he was tired. There is no quotation mark and quotation will be omitted, and for that we can put here that, and this will be changed here. So we learn it later what will be changed in indirect speech. So now we will learn what will the changes when we convert a sentence direct to indirect. So I am writing here first one. Quotation will be omit in indirect sentence and we put that. Second one, we have to changes person, and third one, tense. We have to change tense. So I am writing here an example. Arif said, I can make kite. This is the speech of Arif. This is the speech of Arif. It's reporting verb and it's reported speech. Okay, you have to remember these two. Okay, now we will convert it indirect sentence. Indirect. So at first we say that quotation change. That means Arif told that. Okay, we put here that for quotation. Okay, so person I said here person will be changed. So Arif said I can make kite. So here it's mean Arif. So person can change he because this I is Arif. So we can here put he. Now tense. We will learn a chart about tense. So we will learn it later, but first just I am showing you the basic changes. So here we will put could make kite. So this is the basic things when we changes the direct speech into the indirect. So now we will learn about the changes of tense. Like if the given speech is present indefinite, it will change past indefinite. So we know the form of present indefinite, like subject plus verb 1 plus object, past indefinite subject plus verb 2 plus object. So I am now giving you an example. Neela said I go to market. So this is the direct speech. So we will change it in indirect. So we can write Neela. This is verb 1. So Neela told that. So person will be obviously changed. So this I is Neela. So we can write here she. This is verb 1. So verb 2 is went. So Neela told that she went to market. Okay. She went to market. This is 1. And number 2, present continuous. If the sentence is given in present continuous tense, so it will change past continuous. So form is subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus object, and past continuous will be subject plus was were plus verb ing plus object. So we can use this sentence in present continuous. So direct, Neela said, comma, then I am going to market. Okay, I am going to market. So in indirect it will be Neela told that she was going to market. Okay, here the change is am is are plus verb ing, and here was were plus verb ing. So this is the changes. This is the changes, and this is the number 2. So we will learn about 6 tense changes. 6 tense changes. So number 3, present perfect. If the given speech is present perfect, so we will convert it past perfect. So form is subject plus have, has plus verb 3 plus object, past perfect subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Okay, now example. Again Neela, okay. Neela said, I have worked in a company. So in indirect it will be Neela told that she had worked in a company. So this is the changes. Okay, have worked, that means have verb 3, had worked, had verb 3. Okay, next rules. Past indefinite speech is given in past indefinite, then it will be changed past perfect. So form is subject plus verb 2 plus object. Okay, so it will be changed into past perfect, that is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Okay, so example, Neela worked in a company. Sorry, Neela said I worked in a company. So it will be in past perfect. So indirect, Neela told that she had worked in a company. Okay. So change is here. It's verb 2 and had plus verb 3. So another rules is, if the given speech is past continuous, it will be changed to past perfect continuous. So form is subject plus continuous, that means was, were plus verb ing plus object. So past perfect continuous, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object. So the example is Neela said I was working in a company. Inverted comma close. This is direct and indirect. Neela told that she had been working. She had been working in a company. So narration is very easy if we remember the changes of tense. So we have to remember all the rules of this tense changes. So you can easily write down in the exam copy. So we will learn at first single narration, then we will go into passage narration. Okay, so that's all for today. Keep well and stay safe. Goodbye.